In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of importing EML files to MDaemon account using the BitRecover EML converter. To install our EML to MDaemon import tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. After selecting the folder, click the Select Folder option below. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Select IMAP option for this tutorial. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. Enter your IMAP server account credentials. Copy to default folders when enabled will migrate emails into standard folders such as inbox, sent, etc. Enter IMAP host and IMAP port number. Go to filter options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. Optimization settings are designed to improve the speed and efficiency of the conversion or migration process. Now go back to the saving options. Next, simply click the Convert button, and the import process will begin. Once the import is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the import process was successful. Click OK and log into your account to check the imported EML files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.